Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude, smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors, I'm the man in the city, I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
Right, left, up, down.
Oh.
We're gonna see. All right.
I don't remember. Good luck. You want me to launch that?
You know? Yeah, sure, if you don't mind.
No,
Tim was telling me it's probably better to have somebody launch the first few times you fly, so you see how it responds.
Dude, when I launch just by myself, this is the hardest one, right?
Yeah,
How do you grab it?
and that's where I'm like, I used to be able to come.
Get on the controls.
And I put my throttle kill switch right by my right stick too, and down was off, up was on. So I threw it, had a good angle, went to grab the stick,
Yeah.
killed it.
I did that.
Ah! Once is all it takes, right?
Okay. I'll launch you straight across the runway.
Alrighty, I'm gonna spool up here whenever you're ready.
Real hard. Take it off.
Yes. Hell yeah, thank you.
Nice. You need any trim? Yell out.
Tim trimmed it out and everything for me the other day, actually.
What I like about this airframe is you get into a turn and it holds that turn. It doesn't go down at all. Look at that.
Oh yeah, I'm not on the sticks at all. Yeah.
See if you can get a little higher. Yeah, this is a great airframe.
It'll get way up there. What's this? You gotta be 4 mistakes high? I say 40. There we go. This makes me a little more nervous than the Pilatus. But it does fly well, man.
Is that a maiden for you?
It is. It is. You gotta keep a little more throttle in there when you're turning. Oh, that's the other way. Reason why it's going way up.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, we got a minute left. I'm gonna set up for a landing.
Sure.
Come back the other way here. Oh, we're gonna try that again. Second attempt.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Well. Dang, sorry guys. We're saying that the battery might not. Ah, a little ground effect. little. We'll call it that. Thanks for waiting, guys. All right. We're gonna attempt this hand launch. That counts. Thank you. We'll call that a success. This thing holds whatever line you put it on really well, though.
How's that flying without a pilot?
That's doing all right. This thing is fun.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Well, it depends on how
All right, I'm gonna set up for a landing.
You're all clear.
Oh, dang. Right? A little damage, but I can fix that. Or is it? Nope, no damage. Smidgen. Oh, this thing's fun. I had done the barrel roll, and then you're like, hey, no pilot. And I'm starting to think, oh, wait, that means there's no cover. Like, don't go upside down again. All right. Yeah. Did it anyway.